All right, now I'm going to start this UniFi equipment and test it, see if it works for me. All right, this is the UniFi gateway here, travel gateway. So it's going to establish a connection with my UDM Pro at home. It's going to VPN it. Let's see how that works for me. Now, as soon as it's powered, this doesn't come with a battery. As soon as it's powered, it's just going to try and establish a connection. Right now, I'm with my MacBook Air, and that MacBook Air is going to be connected using this. I still need to log into Starbucks Wi-Fi, or at least accept the terms. Still starting. First time you start, it's going to take some time, I think. Before this, I only set this thing up, registered my home device, and it should automatically connect to my home device. We'll see what happens. It's still booting up. There's a little LCD screen. All right, so now I see something is happening. Let me see what that says. It says teleport is right now not active and offline. All right, so after I use the mobile app to connect the travel router to the Starbucks Wi-Fi, now I'm able to access the internet. Look, now we have connection here, right? And it says Starbucks Wi-Fi on it. The notebook is already on it. No, it's actually not. Let me change the Wi-Fi on the notebook. All right, now let me see if this is pulling up a web page, the Salesforce web page. It does. Now, let me just double check that I'm on my home SSID, the same one that's being actually doubled here on the travel router. That's correct. I'm checking I'm on Starbucks Wi-Fi online, and I have 3 clients. All right, let me check what is my IP address. Should show my home IP address now. Yeah, this is my home IP address because I already activated the Teleport VPN. I see the Teleport VPN logo, in fact, on the UniFi device right now. All right, so I'm going to log into Salesforce to record the login and the IP address. Let me just see. What does my login history show now? My login history should show my home IP address. Yes. So as far as Salesforce is concerned, I'm logging into Salesforce from my home right now, home office. And that's how you connect with the UDM travel router to bypass any of the VPN flagging and restrictions that Salesforce brought onto the platform.